What are you giving them? What are you giving them?
Present?
Why?
Because it's Christmas time.
Yeah? Gerbils get a Christmas present?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Seriously? Okay, start.
Are they fighting over it?
I don't know. I think they like it better in the wrapper.
Well, it looks like Lizzie's taking it away. No, Lucy's got it.
This one.
Well, I wonder what's in that present.
That's what Lucy should be saying. But she can't really speak, so...
Where'd they go?
Hey. Seriously?
Oh. What are you doing?
I don't want a present.
What are you doing? This is your Christmas present.
Yeah.
You want to do your Christmas present? You just want to run? Well.
Okay.
Okay. I guess you listen to me now. Well, now you're going to eat?
Seriously? What's the last password?
Oh, she's almost got the wrapping up.
Yay! Oh, I think she did. No. Hey. Hello. Go over there. You want to see what that is in there? Don't you? Seriously. Wait. Okay.
I guess Lizzie's the only one who cares what's in that Christmas present.
No, I think Lizzie just likes to chill.
I don't know. Lucy is riding on the wheel.
And
Oh, no, not anymore.
now she's in the sand place.
Lucy, you're not paying any attention, are you?
No. You're a very bad actress.
I don't know what that is.
Come on.
Come on.
I want to see what's in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's the present?
A toilet paper roll. Look,
Do you think they already know?
No, I don't think they know yet because I don't think they can hear us. Well, they can hear us, but I don't think they can understand us or anything.
Oh.
I think I talked too fast. Okay.
Maybe you should show them what's in there because they've been chewing on it for a while.
Yeah.
Think they need some help? You can open it for them?
Yeah. I'll just open it.
Oh, they're wondering, hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Here. Go in there.
Well,
Now they're chewing on it.
I guess they figured out what their present is.
Yeah, by me opening it.